Thanks for tuning into the Grand Solar Minimum channel. 2 6.8 earthquakes have struck. The first earthquake in Japan has been downgraded to a 6.5 near the west coast of Honshu. A tsunami advisory has been issued for Yamagata, Niigata, and Noto areas in Japan. The wave is estimated to be 1 meter high. Residents have been told to get out of the water and leave coastal regions immediately. This is a breaking story, so there will be more to follow after this video. And just minutes after that large earthquake, a 6.8 struck southwestern Russia. We will also have more information on this earthquake. It's very interesting having 2 large earthquakes back to back like this, but also as we descend into the Grand Solar Minimum, this is something we will see more frequently. The sun is utterly blank. Today marks the 30th consecutive day that the sun has been without spots. Utterly blank. This is a sign of a solar minimum, the phase of a solar cycle that brings extra cosmic rays and long-lasting holes into the sun's atmosphere, and a possible surplus of noctilucent clouds. In the last few decades, research papers have started to appear in the scientific press that clearly show a correlation between cosmic solar radiation and destructive geological events like earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. These research papers are supported by statistical evidence that goes back hundreds of years. Speaking of volcanoes, Popo volcano in Mexico has erupted again. We covered the 30,000 foot eruption last night. It now has had a 42,000 foot eruption. The volcanic ash cloud rose up to 12.8 kilometers. That's 42,000 feet above sea level. We will have more in-depth information about the volcanoes and these earthquakes shortly. Thank you for tuning into the Grand Solar Minimum channel.